Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on how to live your life to the fullest. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most important things in life, happiness. Specifically, how to use your brain in the most happy way possible. Have you ever found yourself feeling unhappy or unsatisfied with your life, even when things seem to be going well? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with finding happiness, even when we seem to have everything we need. So, how can we use our brain to experience more happiness? Well, the first step is to understand that happiness is not something that can be achieved through external factors, such as wealth, status, or possessions. Instead, it's something that comes from within. Here are some tips for using your brain in the most happy way possible. Focus on the present moment. Instead of worrying about the past or the future, try to be fully present in the moment. Take a deep breath, look around you, and appreciate the beauty of the world around you. Practice gratitude. Make a conscious effort to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you to focus on the positive and to feel more content and fulfilled. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and make you feel good about yourself. Avoid toxic people who bring you down and make you feel negative or stressed. Take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. These basic self-care habits can help to improve your mood and overall sense of well-being. Challenge your negative thoughts. When you notice yourself thinking negative or self-critical thoughts, try to challenge them. Ask yourself if they're really true, and if there's another way to look at the situation. So, there you have it. Some tips for using your brain in the most happy way possible. Remember, happiness is not something that can be achieved through external factors, but rather it comes from within. By practicing gratitude, focusing on the present moment, cultivating positive relationships, taking care of your physical health, and challenging your negative thoughts, you can start to experience more happiness and fulfillment in your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.